Four Jamaican family members stabbed to death in Queen's home by relative. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican family of four, including two children ages 11 and 12, were stabbed to death in their Far Rockaway, Queens home early Sunday morning by a relative who was shot and killed by responding officers. Courtney Gordon, aged 38, the nephew of a 61-year-old female who had been identified by the name Christine Watson, who was injured in the incident, was shot dead by police after they responded to a 911 call. He was shot after slashing one policeman and stabbing another. Police reports are that one of the responding officers managed to pull his firearm and shot Gordon, who had been leaving the house with a bag, when he attacked the officers as they tried to stop him for questioning. Reports further indicated that the police officers who responded to the scene were unable to enter the home as fire had been set to a couch in the living room. The fire department responded and put out the blaze. On entering the home, the police found the 11-year-old girl and a 12-year-old boy stabbed to death. Also stabbed and killed was a 44-year-old woman and a man in his 30s. None of them up to the publication of this report have been formally identified. Courtney Gordon had previously faced domestic violence charges in Bronx, New York. Reports further indicated that he was taken into the Far Rockaway home by his aunt after he had become homeless. Reports also reaching Links 007 TV News are that the police had been called to the home on numerous occasions due to disturbances. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.